Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure online shopping experience with Visa. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a reputable online retailer. Look for well-known brands that have positive customer reviews. Ensure the website uses HTTPS, which indicates a secure connection. Check for the padlock icon in the address bar of your browser. Review the retailer's return and privacy policies before making a purchase. Make sure you understand how your personal information will be used. Create a strong password for your online accounts. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords. Enable two-factor authentication if available for added security. When ready to purchase, select the Visa payment option and enter your card details cautiously. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV for accuracy. Avoid saving your card information on the retailer's site for maximized security. Review the entire order summary before confirming the purchase. Look for secure checkout indicators, like security badges on the payment page. Keep your software and security programs up to date. Install antivirus and anti-malware software on your devices. Connect to secure networks only when making online purchases. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. After completing your purchase, monitor your bank statement regularly. Report any suspicious activity or unauthorized charges to Visa immediately. Consider using virtual card numbers or digital wallets for additional safety. Always log out of your accounts when finished shopping. Be cautious of phishing emails that may look legitimate. Verify the sender's email address if you receive promotional messages. Following these steps can lead to a safer online shopping experience with Visa. Stay informed about the latest online security practices to protect yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.